Hi guys, it's Zach with Proline range hoods. Today we have a video on how to remove and replace the control panel in your range hood. We're looking at our PLSW King Air today, and it does have a black LCD touch panel. We have several types of control panels depending on what range hood that you have, but the process is going to be the same for most. So we're going to show you how to do that today. So first we want to get inside our range hood, and to do that we're just going to remove our stainless steel baffle filters. And again, this process might be different for everybody, but just go ahead and take these out and set them aside. Now that we've removed our filters, we can come back and look inside our range hood here, and on the face inside there is going to be a stainless steel plate that runs along the front. There's going to be 2 screws, both on each ends, just located right here. So we're going to go ahead and remove those. That way we can access our control panel itself from the inside. Now that we've got both sides unscrewed, depending on the model of range hood you have, this might fall out, so just make sure you're holding on to it so it doesn't fall on top of you after you unscrew it. It's just going to be being held on by the wiring itself, so we'll make sure that we stabilize that once we bring it down. We went ahead and unclipped our lights just so it's not dangling for the video. You guys can do the same thing if you want. Putting it back is very easy. But up next, we're just going to have 2 screws on both sides of the control panel as well. So we'll go ahead and take those out, and then once we unclip it, just like we did the lights, we'll be able to remove that fully. Now that we've taken out both of those screws, we can now just pull out our control panel itself. And then as you guys can see, this is held on by just another clip. So if we pull that apart, nice and easy, we can go ahead and replace this and put it back. Now that we've got our new control panel, we can go ahead and plug this into the same clip that we just removed our old one from. And we're gonna go ahead and put everything back the same way that we uninstalled it. So this is very easy to do. If you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.